Hey guys, welcome to Delft Stack, and this is how to add multiple filters on TikTok. So guys, today I will be showing you a trick that you can do that you might want to consider to add a multiple filters on a TikTok. So first is just simply go ahead and open up your TikTok application into your device. Now, over here, guys, you could just simply go ahead and select the plus icon at the middle of the screen. And now here, when you tap on it, you should be able to see here 15 seconds, 60 seconds, or 10 minutes. So from here, for example, I'm going to go for 15 seconds. Now, the trick is the first 3 seconds, you can have one filter, and the next 3 seconds, you could have other filter. So I'm going to show you. So for example, I will go for a natural when it comes to the first 3 seconds. I'm going to hold it. And now after that, I could just simply stop and I could just simply select the filter icon on the right side of the screen over here. So guys, the filter icon will be the three circles as you can see, and you will have here multiple options and categories that you might want to consider. And of course, just simply select the filter that you prefer, and you could just simply record your video. And after that, you could just simply select the filter icon and select another filter that you prefer. And after that, you could create your video with multiple filters over here. And now guys, I hope this simple method helped you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all and see you in the next video.